What sucks about Google My Business in the profile? Well, if you're trying to claim it, it is a pain in the behind. You have to go and fill out a form, which is easy, but then they mail you this postcard and it's just literally devastating because it takes 5 to 6 months for you to get this card. And it's kind of funny because my business partner found the letter in the mail and almost threw it away because they thought that it looked like junk mail. So it's very easy to miss it, but they have that code and then you have to go and type it in. And it's such a pain. The other big problem with Google My Business is any type of changes you make on your profile, you could flag it and be suspended for months at a time. So you have to be very careful and work with a professional that knows all the guidelines of what's going on with your Google My Business profile. You wanna make sure you set it up and you optimize it the right way so you don't get suspended, so that you rise to the top and you earn more business. And that's what we do here at ClickUp Local. We help local businesses with their SEO so they can grow online and get more business.